The primary reason why people install automatic gates on the Gold Coast is for security. It's important to keep pets and young children safely inside your property. Equally, it's important to keep predators outside your property boundary. The next most popular reason for installing automatic gates on the Gold Coast is convenience. You can stay conveniently and safely in your car until you are inside your property boundary with the gates closed securely. Not only is this a plus for security and safety, but it's also a big benefit during inclement weather. Whether you're looking for automatic gates on Gold Coast North or Gold Coast South or in the hinterland, we've got you covered with automatic driveway gates, automatic swing gates, sliding gates and cantilevered gates. We have an automatic gate for every purpose. Our experienced automatic gate specialist will help you select a solution that's right for you and your family. As well as residential automatic gates, we also have a range of commercial automatic gates for Gold Coast businesses. So call us today on the number displayed below to speak to a professional about the automatic gate that's right for you.